Rocksteady81 here, back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be working on a Lewis&Clark travel lock. I don't know if y'all can see it, the white makes it hard to see in the camera. It's TSA007. So I'm assuming this is a TSA approved travel lock. As you can see, it is locked. I do not know the combination to this lock. So I'm going to try to pick it open using the same spot that TSA would use their magic keys at. The way this lock opens up is when you unlock it, this turns right here to let the shackle out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put slight tension on the shackle here. I'm not going to be tensioning it down here. I'll be tensioning it up here. And I'm going to be using a 25,000th rake. And again, tensioning just right here. As you can see, there it is. It's open. That was fairly quickly. You can see it. Oops, see, I just locked it back up again. So again, just tension. Got it open again. And honestly, this thing is so easy to open. I'm going to take this paper clip right here. And all I've done is put a slight bend right here with a pair of needle nose pliers. And again, tensioning here, not here. Slight tension. Well, maybe. Did this off camera, and that's probably going to make a fool of me on camera. Let me try putting a bend back in this. More of a bend. Again, putting tension there. There you go. Took longer than I was expecting, but again, with a simple paper clip, so you pull it, open it. And I see it's locked again. Alright, and again, this is a Lewis&Clark travel lock, TSA model 007. Let's see, I know it's hard to see with that white on red. Again, this is Rocksteady81. I'm always looking to improve my lock picking skills. I've just begun. So anybody interested in sending me a lock they feel would be challenging for me, please private message me or email me. Have a good one.